Aloha, Nadia Caddell, chef and owner of Caddell Cuisine here on the beautiful island of Kaua'i. And welcome to our YouTube channel. On this channel we have so many different recipes that our clients have loved and enjoyed, and this is our way to show you how to make them at home. They're crowd pleasers, some of them are a little bit simpler and some of them have a little bit more complexity to them, but we're here to show you. I'm going to take you step by step in these videos along with the cookbook and the QR codes, the grocery lists, and everything that you're going to need in order to have a chef experience in your home. I hope you enjoy. All right, to start us off, we are going to create our garnish, which is a lemon twist. You're going to go ahead and grab your channel zester and put as much pressure as you can between you, the lemon, and your thumb, and slowly pull it towards you, rotating it little by little. Take your time with this because it can be a little tricky. Once you have a size that you feel comfortable with, you can twist it 2 or 3 times, give it a nice little pull to hold the texture, and then you can set it off to the side. The next thing I like to do with my fresh squeezed lemons are to strain it. Now, this is a personal preference for me. I feel like this adds to a better texture and a better overall consistency to this recipe, but again, you're able to make this however you'd like. But next, we're going to go ahead and garnish our glass. What I do is have some sugar on a plate, make sure it's evenly sugared, and then I just rotate and make sure I can get as much sugar on the rim with the assist of that lemon juice that we just added there. Once I'm happy with the sugar rim, I'm going to go over to my pre-strained fresh lemon juice. I cannot stress enough how much of a difference it makes to use fresh ingredients, fresh citrus in your cocktails. You'll really taste the difference between this and doing something that's sort of pre-made. Next, you're going to add your favorite vodka and then our lavender syrup. This is the lavender syrup that I have in the recipes in the book. You can follow that. If you want to just go ahead and buy some of this from the store, this is a no judgment zone. You do you. As long as you have those flavors incorporated, the lavender and the lemon and the vodka in this really go well together. The next thing we're going to do is make sure to add lots and lots of ice. You can always pre-chill your glass if you like, but in my case, I'm just going to do lots and lots of ice to make sure this drink is really, really cold. And then you're going to shake this for a pretty good amount of time. I like to do at least 30 to 60 seconds. When I used to bartend, I was told that you want to sort of create a slushy for martinis at the top, at least the outer layer of it. This really helps all of these flavors be completely incorporated and just gives it a delicious finish at the end there. Next, because we prepared ourselves, we are going to go ahead and garnish with that lemon twist there. It's a beautiful summer cocktail. I hope you enjoy this with some friends, and I'm excited to see what you make on the next one. Don't forget to tag us and follow us on all our social medias. Okay, bye!